Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Neon CRM step by step. We'll cover donor management, fundraising tools, event management, and reporting features so nonprofits can manage their operations and supporter relationships more efficiently. One of the top CRM platforms for nonprofits, from donor engagement to event management and automation, Neon CRM has everything you need to level up your nonprofit game. So, let's begin. Now, the first thing that you should do is visit the official website, which is going to be neon1.com. From here, you have two options on the top right. You can log in using your credentials. Click on it. And then the next option is going to be the request a demo. If you click on it, you will be forwarded to a new page where all you have to do is provide all the information needed, and you'll get an instant access on the Neon CRM. You would have all these tools and features for you to test the Neon CRM for your business or organization or nonprofit team. Now, all I have to do is provide the email address and click the submit button. But if you don't want that, all I have to do is go to the homepage, because you would notice that there's going to be a lot of sections on the top corner: the solutions, resources, customers, partners, and the About Neon one. If you go over to the solutions, you would notice that they offer a lot of features for supporter management, events management, fundraising and program management, operations and services. So we're going to deal with the now, if you go to the Neon CRM, basically it's a comprehensive nonprofit software right here that is designed to help you or the organizations manage donors, members, and fundraising activities. Now, the core constituent relationship management system are for nonprofits right here, designed for small, mid-sized nonprofits. If you want to take a tour, you can click this button right here, right? You see, there's a lot of things that it can do. It can help organizations manage donor relationships, here account management, the FFT form, events, and fundraising in one place. It provides automation, reporting, and communication all in one place. All right, so it improves the nonprofit efficiency. So we're gonna go to the next section, which is the Neon CRM for associations. If you click that, it's gonna give you a specialized version of the Neon CRM tailored for associations and membership organizations. Features include membership management, dues tracking, and event registration. It helps associations with members to streamline their operation. Now, if you go to the events management and the arts people section, basically it's a ticketing and fundraising platform designed for arts and cultural organization. It supports event ticket sales, donations, subscriptions, and audience management. You see, they grow your audience if you click on it. It's ideal for theaters, museums, and performing arts organizations. So all you have to do is provide all the information, click the request a demo, and you're good. The next is going to be the fundraising, which has the Neon Fundraise. Basically, it's a peer-to-peer fundraising and crowdfunding platform which helps nonprofits create campaign pages, donation forms, and fundraising events. It supports team-based fundraising and integrates with Neon CRM. Right? The next is going to be the Neon Giving Days, where it's a platform specifically for giving days, like, for example, Giving Tuesday or local fundraising drives. It provides tools for nonprofits to set up time-sensitive donation campaigns, including leaderboards, donor engagement features, and real-time tracking. It also includes the leaderboards communication. Next is going to be the Neon CCM. Now, the Neon CCM is a constituent communication manager, which is a tool for nonprofits helping you manage email campaigns, automated messaging, and donor outreach. It is well integrated with Neon CRM for personalized communication strategies. All right? You can get a custom solution if you click this button below. Now, the next section here is going to be the Neon Pay. What is Neon Pay? It's basically a payment processing solution built for nonprofits. So here it handles donations, event fees, membership rates, and ticket sales securely. It provides lower transaction fees and integration with Neon CRM for better financial tracking. And of course, there's going to be one last section here, which is going to be the Neon One services. It's a set of consulting and support services for helping nonprofits maximize their use of Neon products, which includes onboarding, training, custom implementation, and strategic consulting. Now, if you go to the section here that says there should be a section here for billing, which will give you the pricing design for flexibility and growth. Basically, they do not offer the pricing publicly. They do, I'm sorry. Because I've in the past, they do not, but now, as of yet, at the moment, they do offer the pricing publicly. The first is going to be the essentials. You get total revenue by $99 per month. You have all of these perks and benefits like fundraising and donor management. You have 3 active workflows. The impact is around $209 per month. What you have, the QuickBooks integration, which is a lot. Volunteer management, 15 active workflows. You can take advantage of it. Of course, there's the Empower plan, which comes at around $409 a month. Everything in impact plus live chat info support. So if you have it down below, if you wanted to download the full pricing guidelines, just click the small button here and you would be able to weigh in your options. If Neon CRM is the platform for your nonprofit organization, they also offer the data and implementation around $349 and the training and consulting, which comes at around $600 for 4 hours, right? So you might want to go to that. If you go down here, if you wanted to know more about Neon One, gain more insights, they offer the blog guides and webinars. For example, on the blog, I've been reading some of their blogs and give some more insights on how and why should be Neon is a perfect platform for you. If you go to the webinars, these are some of the free materials that you can get and readily available here in Neon CRM, right? So there's a lot. Events, upcoming events, and a lot more. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use Neon CRM to manage donations, supporters, and nonprofit operations more efficiently. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical nonprofit business and software tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.